Today we're here to announce the dismantling of a drug trafficking organization operating in Mexico and California that was responsible for moving and distributing large amounts of methamphetamine, fentanyl, and other illegal drugs, including into the Central Valley of California. On Tuesday and Wednesday of last week, law enforcement agents began arresting defendants named in a previously sealed indictment that had been returned by the grand jury here in Fresno the prior week. As of today, 15 of 22 defendants charged in the indictment have been arrested. The defendants are charged with conspiring to distribute and to possess with the intent to distribute methamphetamine, fentanyl, and cocaine, and some of the defendants are also charged with individual counts of distributing and possessing those drugs.